Yeah, it's a lift shop, but hey. I'm not having one of these. Probably a GME. That it is.
Ground floor.
Different voice stuff.
Going up.
1,000. No, 400 kilograms by person. This is Lula standard. 2017 store date, apparently. Basement. It's locked.
First floor.
Sounds more British like. Oh, certificate expired a long time ago. A year ago. Ground, please.
Going down. Ground floor. Going up.
Let's get a cab here. This very much resembles the one I found in Maroochydore, except that was a platform lift.
Going
This
down.
one's somewhat better, I guess. I mean, at least there's automatic doors, which is nice. Other than that, though, it still has some major quality shortcomings, which is about expected for Lula. Not that we really have any concept of Lula in Australia, but hey, it's convenient.
Ground floor.
There it goes. That's it.